it? Look out. You still in your head?
Yes. It's still in my head. Now get it out. I want to see my show.
All right, Dad, come on.
I don't want to miss the premiere. Come on. Hey, I have a weapon.
All right, let's get this over with.
Your head back.
Get it this time, Dad.
It's hard to do. I don't know if I have the right one. You don't want to pull the wrong one. Which one is it? That one? This one?
Oh.
Good job, Chris. So brave.
Came out pretty easy.
Did come out pretty. I heard it pop though.
Yeah, I did.
Good job, Chris. I'll put